Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to send money from Western Union to India. So here is the Western Union, guys. You just need to choose your destination. So you can type here different countries. So in this tutorial, I am focusing on the India. So you just need to type on that one and then type your desired amount and then they will convert it. So you can see here. So you can select how the recipient will get the money, either bank, deposit, cash, pickup, or mobile wallet. So the cash pickup is very popular in India at Western Union agent locations. And then here, fill in the receiver's full name exactly as it appears on their ID. Also enter their bank details if you choose bank deposit. Choose your payment method, guys. And then here is the total. And that's how you send money to India via Western Union. If this helped you guys, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any question. Thanks for watching.